Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Wallet and adding or selecting the card needing verification. This step triggers the bank challenge. Make sure your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection because the verification exchange happens in real time. When prompted, allow the camera to capture card details or enter them manually and tap Continue. This sends a secure request to your bank. Once done, expect either an instant approval or a request for extra verification. You now handle the bank-side verification, which often uses a code, an app approval, or a short verification call. If your bank sends a 6-digit code, enter it into Wallet promptly. Codes often expire in minutes. If the bank requires app approval, open the bank app and confirm the action. This is faster and avoids typing. If the attempt fails, call the bank's secure number on your card to clear flags or verify identity. Make sure to reference the wallet verification request. You finish by confirming the card displays as active in Wallet and testing a small tap-to-pay purchase or online payment. If Wallet still shows pending, restart the device and retry the verification step to clear transient errors. If problems persist, remove the card and re-add it after resetting network settings so communication is fresh. As a last resort, contact your bank's fraud or verification team and Apple support, providing any transaction or verification ID to resolve holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.